Hi there, welcome back to my channel. This is Medeaij, and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. So I'm going to be using the Juvias Place palettes to create this beautiful eye shape. It's one I've never done before and it's very exciting and very easy to recreate. So let's jump in. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. And as always, we're going to start off with the brows. So for my product, I'm using the Ofra Don't Play Brow Gel. One of my favorite brow gels. It just makes laminating my brows so much easier. And then I'm just going to move on to my eyes. So the two palettes we're going to be using today from Juvias Place, we've got the Nubian 3 and we've also got the Wahala 2 eyeshadow palette. The Wahala 2 eyeshadow palette is one of my recommended palettes for the party season because it's got glitters, it's got beautiful shadows. So we're going to start off with this dark brown shade. We're going to use a little bit of the coral and we're going to go into the Nubian 3. We're going to use this chocolate brown and we're going to use this beautiful coral shade as well. So first things first, I'm concentrating the dark brown shade from the Wahala 2 palette and I'm packing that on the inner corner and outer corner in a diagonal fashion just to give me that eye shape. So right now I'm just mapping out the eye shape and then I'm just going to go in and intensify the eyeshadow. This look is very easy to do. It's just a lot of blending, but it's very simple. And then with another brush, I'm applying the coral shade from the Wahala 2 palette and I'm packing that on. The shades from the Nubian 3 palette are just more or less blending shades just to help soften the look, but the majority of the color comes from the Wahala 2 palette. And now from the Nubian 3 palette, I'm using the coral shade that I showed you just to diffuse the edges. And if you notice where I'm placing the colors, if you mimic that, you will definitely get this look. And then going back to intensify areas that I've lost the shadow intensity. And then I'm using the NYX glitter primer and I'm going to use this for the shimmer shadow. I think you don't have to use this. You can use your concealer or any product, but I'm so used to using the glitter adhesive. It just makes things so much easier and it makes shimmer shadows pop. The shimmer shadow that I'm using is from the Nubian 3 palette and I'm packing that in the space that I left behind. And I'm also going to pack on this gorgeous shimmer shade on top just to blend everything nicely together. And it's going to give you that beautiful iridescent look and it's not going to be too overpowering because both of the shimmer shadows are not fighting, they're not competing. And then for my primer, I'm using the Huda Beauty Matte Perfection pre-makeup base. I absolutely love that primer. It works so well with so many of my foundations. For foundation, I'm using the Juvias Place I Am Magic in Gabon, but then I'm also applying the Danessa Myricks Illuminating Veil just to give me some glow because I want all the attention to be on the eyes, but I also want a really, really perfect skin application just so that the eyes can shine. For concealer, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. This is an OG classic. If you haven't tried this concealer yet, definitely give it a go. It's a very easy to use, very affordable concealer. I highly recommend it. I've used it in so many of my videos and I will continue to use it because it's such a fantastic product. So blending that out, and then I'm going to use my Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Powder to set my under eye. And I love the Tarte Shape Tape powders. I feel like they're fine, but not too fine that you don't see the color or coverage. And I do feel like it sets my under eyes really well without leaving them dry. You know, sometimes your under eye can feel a little bit too dry. I feel like this is a really, really good balanced product. One that I will hopefully continue to have in my collection if I can get my hands on it, because right now I find it difficult even finding this product. So yeah, hopefully if I can get my hands on it, then it will continue to exist in my collection. Bronzer is the Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami. This has slowly become one of my favorite bronzers. I'm just using that to just create some definition on my face. Nothing too drastic, nothing too dramatic, because as I said, I want all the attention to be on the eyes. I really do hope that you are enjoying these festive looks. I've pretty much used all the eyeshadow palettes that I recommended in my top eyeshadow palettes for the party season. So if you're looking for a tutorial, definitely on my channel. And for my lower lash line, I'm just going to do exactly what I did at the top. Apply the brown shade in the outer corner and then apply the orange shimmer shade on the center. And just blend it out with the coral just to give me a softer look underneath my eyes. And then I am just going to go in with my eye pencil as well and just make sure that the eyeliner is fully applied and everything is just seamless. So my eye pencil is from Revlon and this is one of the Sophia's eye pencils. I absolutely love them. They're so soft. For my blush, I'm using the Juvias Place Saharan Blush Volume 1. I love this. It's pretty old now, but it still performs really well. Super pigmented blushes, the highlighters as well are very pigmented and very easy to use. So yeah, we're just applying that all over. Lashes is from a black owned company called the Flashiest, and these lashes are called Desire. They're very dramatic as you can see, but I feel like it suits the eye look really well. Going back to the Saharan blush palette, I'm using the highlighter for this look. Just something soft, just something light. Not too heavy, just to really enhance the look. And then for my lips, I'm also using a black owned brand, and this is Proper Beauty's lipstick in Driven. I do have a discount code with Proper Beauty, which is Medeaij, and you get 15% off your shop. You know I love my Proper Beauty products, so if you're looking for lip swatches, I do have them on my channel. I have two sets of lip swatches from Proper Beauty, just to give you an idea of what the lip colors look like. And this is the final look, and this is the last version of the party eyeshadow palette looks, the festive looks. If you've enjoyed this series, please definitely give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And yeah, I've enjoyed creating it, and I can't wait for you guys to watch all the videos that I have in store. Now remember, God doesn't like ugly. Be nice to someone today, and Black Lives always matter. And I'll definitely catch you in a future video. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, and if you haven't seen the rest, actually, you can check my channel and just keep binge watching. And I'll catch you on that side. Bye.